So in this video we're going to look at preparing and importing a CSV file for to be able to import clubs into your account. So you can see here I have a split screen of a spreadsheet which will be our CSV in Excel and also my LIGR dashboard. So if I show you my LIGR dashboard at the moment here, you can see that I have a competition in here that I've labelled CSV imports. I've set it all up, assigned the competition logo and the watermark, and at the moment there are no clubs or teams within this competition. So what I want to do is firstly I want to prepare the CSV that I want to import the clubs into this comp. So what I'll do is I'll push this back and then bring up the here we go. So now you can see that I have a spreadsheet up and running here. So I have in here 6 columns. I have the name of the club, the full name that I want to display where applicable, the medium name and the short name, which is generally used in the match clock, and then I have the primary color, primary text color for the colors for the team. So you can see here that I have the Ealing Eagles and the Thames Thunderbirds. I'm just going to add another one here, so I'm going to call these the Staines Spartans. Copy that tab, put that in here. Medium name, I'm going to call them the Spartans. SPA for that, and then I'll put my hex value in, which I'll do black and then white. So that would be black primary color, which would be the background, and the text color would be white. So you can see here that I have 3 teams. You can have as many as you want. Say you've got 20, you would have 20 entries that would you would populate in here. So if I hit save on that, and now what I'll do is I will push back and we'll go and import this into our competition. So I've saved that. I've saved that locally onto my desktop. Let me just make sure that I've done that. I'll go save as, and then I'll put it onto my desktop. And then in here, call that club example. So hit save. That's good. Okay, fine. So now what I'll do is I will go across to my dashboard. So you can see, as I say, we've got nothing in here, no clubs or teams. So from the competition here, I want to import the clubs and teams into this CSV import comp that I've made. So click on clubs and teams. You can see here that we have this option to import clubs. So this is how you import your data, as it says here. So the file extension must be a .csv file. Less than 10 meg. The first row must contain the column names. So that's row 1 of the, so if I just show you that here. So you can see here on this one, the first row is the column names that we're going to populate those within LIGR. So I'll switch back and show you that. The commas must be separated by commas. The columns must be separated by commas, sorry, which a .csv file will do. And then with regard to the date and stuff, that needs to be in that particular format. But we'll come to that when there's another video that is linked in the description to import matches. So there is a sample file here that you can download. And that's, as it says there, the CSV format that LIGR expects. So you can drag your file on here, or you can just click to upload it. So this is on my desktop here, and I saved it as a club example. So if I double click on that, that looks as if it's all imported in. So I have the club name here. So like I say, you can skip these columns if you want, but we want it to be the club name, which will be the one that populates. The full name, the medium name, short name, primary color, and primary text color. So you can see that's all come in as I would expect. Next thing we need to do is assign that to the competition. So from the drop down in this organization, I only have the CSV imports. That's the dummy competition that I've set up. Hit that one, then update existing clubs and read here. If any of the imported clubs already exist in the system, we will automatically update their information with the data from your import. So almost if you're importing over the top of something that's already there, this one will take precedent and go over the top of the one that's already there. When you're happy with all of that, hit import data. And we'll get a notification that that has happened. 3 rows have been imported, and it's type of club, 0 errors, which is good. So if I now go back to my assets page and click on clubs and teams, you can see here that I have the teams have been imported. So I've got 3 teams, 3 clubs that have come in with 1 team in them. So what I need to do is, you can see here that these don't have assets allocated to them, and by that I mean team club logos. So if I click on the Ealing Eagles, and here we've got the information that is here. So if I go in here, we've got the Eagles, and I hit save. That now populates with the correct logo. the Staines Spartans. So I've got the Spartans. That's good. And then if I go to the Thunderbirds, you got the Thunderbirds. So you can see here that these have gone upper and lowercase. So if you want to just copy and paste the uppercase one from the full name into the club name, that will work. So the Ealing Eagles, just take that, and just over on the right hand side here you can see that the primary colour and the primary text colour has all been imported. So we've created 3 teams there off the CSV file that have imported with a football into this football competition. So that is how you import clubs into organisations.